our commitment to our value, client and team. Being CEO is not a glamorous job. You take this job only if you are willing to work consistently. If you see, river is consistently flowing and hitting rocks every minute, every hour, every day with the same intensity, with the same force. This is very important for any business as well. Like to penetrate into one market, you have to be there with the same power, same intensity. You can't just start it and then stop it. You have to be very consistent. As far as balancing of personal and professional life is concerned, it was difficult initial few years, but with the time I have developed my own ways and planning to balance both the life. Many times people ask me, Naval, why do you schedule so much? Why do you plan so much? I do this, I plan this so that I have more of personal time.
So 2020 was one of the biggest challenge in my professional career, heading the finance function for a multinational organization for over 10 years now. The biggest challenge was to keep the business as usual, and in that, maintaining the cash flow for the company, given the lockdown across geography where our receivable was unable to get it liquidated because of the lockdown. The entire supply chain of collection got hampered. So we had to identify multiple channels in order to keep the company liquidated, in order to maintain the supply chain and maintaining the overhead of the company. Besides that, the other challenge we see to keep the sales as intact comparing with the last year, 2019. So that was also because of the lockdown got hampered severely. But being a global organization, the advantage we had, some geography was working like Europe and US. So we could able to liquidate our inventory on those part of the world, even though the Asia Pacific or Middle was in the lockdown. So we got the leverage of being a global organization, and we could able to sail through strongly in the entire pandemic. And we see the very prosperous year 2021, where now unwinding of the lockdown, we see that we can grow whatever we have missed out in 2020, we can catch up in 2021.
Hi, this is Nikun Sawarthia, Executive Director from Krishna International. Well, Krishna International is a family managed business. My father has 5 brothers, and each of them are into 6 different regions. We are into this industry more than 2 decades. 2020 was a game-changing year for most of us, but this year was one of the best years according to the profitability. Because of pandemic, globally, all industries were unstable. Hence, people were afraid to invest on any industries or any products. Same goes with our industry, but we took a risk to add on some more funds, and the results turned to be good for us. 2021 we expect to be the best year, since we are approached by many upcoming brands who are making a buzz in the market. As Krishna, we are ready to accept any challenges. Our company Krishna International is a brand, so working with us is itself a motivation. Our team is our family and makes us a force. Honesty and hardworking. In year 2000, we were fulfillment partner for Nokia and Sony across Middle East. Then we got distribution account for Nokia, and then we never stopped taking accounts of Samsung, Nokia, Vivo, Oppo, Honor, Lenovo, Apple, OnePlus, and many more. We kept taking distribution account for all telecom brands for different countries across Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, and Americas. I think my father chose a correct industry. They were all passionate about this industry, and we as a second generation have the same passion in our blood and will continue for the same. We are in the industry where time is money and you have to be available 24/7. But my family and friends is the motivation to grow. So giving time to them is equally important. We try to avoid any meetings and long business calls during weekends and try to give the best to our family and friends. Hell yeah, we believe with Z Empire motto, marketing equals sales.